Good for the dream. Hello. Ganda niya, no? Super. Good for the dream niya, coach. Kanina, parang bad influence yun. Ito ang tama.
Ayaw talaga sa workout. Klase ka talaga.
US Dream.
Part 2.
Part 2.
Jakarta.
Jakarta edition.
Coach Agong, thank you, thank you. Thanks for the lunch, Coach.
Thank you, Coach Agong.
His dream.
Yeah, you're helping me with my objective in life.
To be 3XL, US size.
The US Dream. It's still alive, Coach Jimmy. See you tomorrow.
Part by part, fries muna.
Healthy. Miss ko na yung Kings, Coach Jimmy.
Kings. Ayaw mo ba ng Longhorn? Kay Ma'am Telma? Steak?
Can be Madam Telma. You might be back there. See you.
My coach.
Oh.
The man. Jakarta, Indonesia. Coach Agong. Thank you.
Thank you, Coach.
Easy, easy. Easy.
Double time, Coach. Kumbaga, train twice a day. Coach, easy.
First bite. Ikaw pa ubos. Ikaw pa ubos na.
Madami pa yan. Takpan natin.
Ako unang kagat, oh. Unang kagat.
Thank you, Coach. Thank you.
Aya. Alam na this.
Fast break. And one rep. May kasama pang foul.
Coach, it's his birthday. 29.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Yeah. So this is a good treat. Burger King.
Happy birthday.
Yeah, happy birthday.
70 or 18? 70 or 18?
No, 29.
29. And getting bigger. Older. Bigger, older, wiser.
Getting closer to 30. And getting closer to 3x.
3x.
Thank you to Coach.